Planning a brick project? Let's make it super easy and calculate everything you need step by step.
So, you're ready to build a wall? Well, the first step isn't laying bricks, it's doing the math. Guessing can cost you big time, wasted money, or frustrating delays. Let's avoid all that. We're going to turn that blueprint of yours into a perfect shopping list. Let's dive right in. It's a simple 3-step plan. First up, we'll figure out the total volume of your wall. Okay, first we need the total volume. Just multiply length times height times thickness. Simple. So for our example wall, that's 3.45 cubic meters of total brickwork. Easy, right? All right, let's talk bricks. A standard Indian brick is 190 by 90 by 90 millimeters. But you've got to account for the mortar. That 10 millimeter joint makes a really big difference. So the total space one brick actually takes up in the wall is 0.002 cubic meters. To get the number of bricks, just divide the wall's volume by that single brick's volume. And that gives us exactly 1,725 bricks. But wait, don't go shopping just yet. Because in the real world, things happen, right? We absolutely need to account for wastage. Bricks can break or get cut, so it's standard practice to add about 5 to 10% extra. Adding 10% for our wall means you'll actually need to buy about 1,898 bricks. All right, bricks are done. Now for the mortar that holds it all together. Let's do this. Here's a great shortcut. Wet mortar is roughly 30% of your total wall volume. For our wall, that comes out to 1.035 cubic meters of ready-to-use wet mortar. Now, this part is crucial. We have to convert that to dry volume to buy the right amount. So we multiply by 1.33, giving us 1.377 cubic meters of dry material. We're going to use a standard 1:6 ratio. That's 1 part cement, 6 parts sand. So we just split that dry volume using our ratio to get the final amounts. And there you have it. Your shopping list is ready. Bricks, about 6 bags of cement, and sand. See? A few simple steps ensures your project is efficient, strong, and right on budget. Now that the math is done, you are all set to build with confidence. Go for it.